Hey, it's Jayla here. So, through the course Building a Second Brain, I've been learning about this new concept called just in time project management. So, this is a concept to help you to basically leave clues for your future self. You create strategies to create notes that make it simple for your future self to quickly gather the most important and useful parts and be able to use those parts towards your goal or projects. So in total, there are 17 strategies, but I'm going to show you today the 4 that I've started to implement and use in my personal projects. So the first technique that I've started to use is technique number 1, which is an archipelago of ideas. It's basically good for when you're having trouble getting started on a project because instead of starting with a blank page or slate, you can start off by just writing down all your basic ideas and whatever would help you with that project that you're going towards. So the way I use this technique is through this list of the books that I want to read. Now, this technique, you can use it in either taking the time to mind dump and get everything, all your ideas out at one time, or it can be a slower process that you add to the list over time. Either way, it's a great tip on getting you unstuck with getting started on whatever your project is. So the next strategy I've been working on was number 14, the table of contents. This is great for when you're working with other people. The way I've started to use this is because I'm taking a course on Forex. I've been creating this table of contents to share with my family the different notes that I've taken on, like different parts of the course. The next strategy is on color commentary. So this note is from research I was doing on what customer success roles are like. I read several articles and I wrote down both notes from the article itself as well as my summaries. But my problem was that I couldn't differentiate which was which just by quickly glancing over it. So I decided to use the color commentary strategy to highlight all my personal summaries in purple. That made it a lot easier for me to see them and have them stand out, and I was able to then take all my summaries and turn that into a blog post about what I found through those articles. Lastly, I really like the context suggestion strategy because it helps you when you can't find the most relevant note, and I especially use it when I'm looking for particular words or phrases within a note. And I'll show you how I do that. So, for instance, this note that I wrote on articles that I was reading at the time is really long. And let's say I just wanted to find a specific keyword or phrase. You could very well just click on these 3 dots over here and press find within note to look up any keywords or phrases that you'd want to see. Like for instance, I remember there was a quote from someone named Karina, and it helps you to find that straight away, no problem. So all in all, learning about just-in-time project management has given me a lot of great strategies and tools to use to be able to better concisely organize and be able to reference my notes. And I hope this was helpful for you too. Thanks for watching.